Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to change the region of Steam with the help of Surfshark VPN. It's a paid VPN and you will have to pay for this. So you will have to open the VPN. I have not paid for it yet, but to change your region, you must open the VPN and search for Turkey in location. As you can see, I have not paid for it yet. But if you do, all you have to do is to go to Steam, search for any game and add it to your cart. As you can see, my page looks like this because my VPN is off. But your region will be changed so you can purchase any games here. And I have another NordVPN you can use also this. I hope my video will help you in your problem. Thanks for watching and do make sure to subscribe the channel.